All right, let's just dive right in. Today we're covering something that's absolutely crucial for natural male wellness, but, it's one of those things rarely discussed openly, or scientifically for that matter. We're talking about the physiological benefits and the actual proper techniques of male intimate massage. Now, I know there can be a bit of a stigma, or let's be real, awkwardness around the subject, but we're going to look at this purely through the lens of anatomy, physical therapy, and proactive health. So if you're looking to optimize your body's natural functions, you are in the right place. This explainer is definitely for you.
To keep things super clear today, we've broken this down into 5 quick steps. We'll look at the importance of intimate massage, 3 major health benefits, choosing the right oil, the step-by-step massage technique, and finally, the routine and the results you can expect.
Okay, starting off with Section 1, the importance of intimate massage and understanding the anatomy.
So, why is this kind of daily care so necessary? Well, we actually often forget that the male intimate region is packed with this incredibly complex network of veins and underlying muscles. I mean, think about it. Just like your shoulders or your back really benefit from physical therapy, this area requires targeted care too. Regular massage keeps these veins smooth, pliable, and fully capable of handling strong blood circulation. And that right there is the absolute foundation of optimal function.
Moving right along to Section 2, the 3 major health benefits and how we address some really common concerns.
So, how exactly does this simple routine address physical anxieties? First off, like we just talked about, it strengthens those underlying muscles and delicate veins. But secondly, and this is a total game changer for men experiencing rapid discharge, it directly addresses hypersensitivity. By doing a regular, gentle massage, you're physically conditioning the area to reduce that extreme sensitivity over time. And finally, by actively smoothing out those pathways for blood flow, it combats the sudden loss of an erection. It gives you a much stronger, sustainable physical response. Pretty amazing, right?
All right, Section 3, choosing the right oil. Because guys, lubrication is absolutely key here.
Before we even think about touching on the physical technique, we absolutely have to discuss preparation. Listen closely. Friction is your enemy here. Do not massage with dry hands, ever. The skin in this area is uniquely delicate, and human hands just do not possess enough natural lubrication. If you attempt this dry, you're going to create friction and literally cause micro tears. You'd be doing the exact opposite of healing, so let's avoid that.
So what should you actually use? You basically have 2 safe, effective choices. First, you can use standard organic oils. Think pure coconut or olive oil. These are fantastic for providing that essential natural lubrication without any harsh chemicals. Or, your second option is specialized herbal oils. Now these go a step further. They're specially formulated with active, natural ingredients designed to actually penetrate the skin and actively repair those tiny, delicate veins.
If you do decide to go the herbal route, you're going to want to look for specific active ingredients. Clove is an absolute standout here. It's highly effective in traditional formulations for reducing that hypersensitivity we talked about, and it really aids in vein repair. You'll also want to look for things like camphor, saffron, shooth-kochla, and maokangi. These are usually suspended in a perfectly safe base, like olive oil, and the whole point of these blends, they are 100% focused on localized vascular health.
Now, I need to take a second to clear up some pretty widespread misinformation. Specialized oils do not magically increase your genetic size. No way! What they actually do is maximize your blood flow. By repairing the veins and clearing up those pathways, they allow your body to achieve its true natural capacity. So your natural size can appear full, tight, and completely healthy, simply because the biological hardware is finally functioning at its absolute peak.
Okay, moving into Section 4, the step-by-step massage technique. Let's look at the proper method.
This is where we take all that theory and turn it into practical application. So how do you massage safely to actually get the best results? Well, intention matters. This absolutely must remain a therapeutic wellness routine. Remember, we are conditioning the body here. We are not trying to induce a sudden discharge. This technique requires a very specific, controlled approach.
First, we start with the most sensitive area, the top section, or the cap. You're going to want to use the tips of your 5 fingers to form a really gentle grip. Then, smoothly and very, very gently twist and massage this specific top area. Whatever you do, don't pull aggressively. Just keep it a smooth manipulation. By repeating this daily, you're systematically and gradually desensitizing the nerve endings right there, and that is the exact mechanism that helps delay rapid discharge.
Next up, we move to the main shaft. Apply a small amount of oil to your fingers. Remember what we said? No dry hands. Then you want to stroke very lightly from the top section down toward the base. And this is crucial. You must keep your hands extremely light and do not rub hard. If you grip too tightly or rub aggressively, you'll trigger a discharge, completely defeating the entire purpose of the exercise. So light, downward, smooth strokes. That is all that's required to stimulate that deep blood flow.
And finally, we arrive at Section 5, routine and expected results. Just a heads up, patience is definitely required here. You know, knowing how to do it is only half the battle. Knowing how much time it takes is what's going to keep you consistent. And the magic number? Just 5 to 10 minutes. That is a tiny fraction of your day, but honestly, it's all the time you need to dedicate to this daily to maintain strong muscles, healthy veins, and regulate a really crucial aspect of your overall physiological health.
But like I said, patience is absolutely vital. Day 1 is simply about starting the habit. You are not going to see magic overnight. It's usually during weeks 2 and 3 that you'll begin to notice that hypersensitivity slowly dialing back. And by month 1, if you've been consistent, that's when the structural work really pays off. You will see noticeable, reliable improvements in both your erection strength and timing. The body just takes time to heal and adapt, you know?
So the question is, are you ready to add just 5 minutes of focused, natural care to drastically improve your intimate wellness? Think about it. We spend hours in the gym, we meticulously plan our diets, and yet we so often ignore localized care for our most sensitive anatomical systems, usually just because of some outdated stigma. The science is completely clear, the technique is super simple, and the benefits, they're massive. So it's time to ask yourself, are you leaving your physiological health to chance, or are you ready to finally take control? Think on that for a bit, and we will see you in the next explainer.